28 days, I'm going to cover questions or topics related to selling your home. Welcome to 28 and 28. I'm the host of Real Estate Analysis with Donnie Weddle, and you're watching episode 21. Our topic today is, how will the Fed rate hike hit buyers? I want to start with discussing home prices and why at this time of year we're seeing a surge in prices. It's partly due to the new listings hitting the market and the pool of potential home buyers, how it grows with the spring season. So what is really amazing and interesting is this month we saw something that hasn't happened in 16 years, according to Mike Simonson with Altos Research. We saw new median listings higher than the market as a whole. Let's look at a chart from Altos that Mike has prepared. You see the light red line that indicates new home listings, and the dark one is the market. See how the new home listings rose above the median market price. That is due to a strong demand and low inventory. Sellers are capturing the demand by increasing the price of the new listing. We want to pay close attention to this in the upcoming weeks. If this continues, we will see a bullish sign for future transactions. I want you to keep in mind the sales numbers we are seeing are buyers who put their home under contract in December and January with the closing in February. This is happening when we saw the fastest rate spike in history for the first 7 weeks of the year. Excuse me. Let's take a look at another chart from homebuyer.com, and the source is Freddie Mac. If you look at the red line, you see the spike for 2022. If you take into consideration that the spike, what we can take from that is the buyer has lost about 5% of affordability. That is for the same monthly mortgage payment. We may see this crazy seller's market. We may see this shift with rates elevating this quickly. Keep in mind, we are in record lows in inventory on the market. We currently have less than 250,000 single-family homes listed actively on the market. If you notice how rapid the amount of inventory is dropping, this is partly due to supply chain issues, causing delays in new construction being completed and added to the market. The chart shows only active homes that are listed on there for sale. The chart shows only active inventory that you can live in today. So if a new construction home isn't going to be ready until 2023, it will not be added to the numbers in this chart. Another factor that is keeping our inventory count low is hardly anyone is being foreclosed on. Currently, add that with the record low rates and high inflation, we are not going to see a major inventory hit the market for some time. Let's look at another chart that shows the weekly sales. You will notice that about 30% of the homes in the chart went into contract immediately. In this process of buying for some time, possibly getting beat out of multiple offer situations and have more than likely been warned by their lender, radical increases to their interest rates are coming if they don't act now. The light red portion shows you the listing that's sold immediately. Our next chart shows you the yearly curve of homes that sell with a price cut. On average, 33% of homes sell with a price reduction, and currently we're at 18% falling. However, if rates continue to increase, we may see price cuts start to swing upward too. So to recap, we are seeing a record increase in interest rates. Our inventory is at record lows and shows no signs of significant increase in the number of listings versus the numbers being sold. We do not see short sales or foreclosures hitting the market in any large numbers for 2022. We are also seeing the price of rent has increased, so that is driving investors to buy and hold rather than buying, renovating, and selling. If your landlord wants to sell your property while rates are affordable and home price appreciation is strong, give me a call, text, or email so we can get your property on the market. I can help you no matter where you are in the country. I work with a large network of investors and realtors around the U.S. Call me at 918-470-9876 or email me at dweddle@kw.com. I want to thank you for watching Real Estate Analysis with Donnie Weddle.